It's Friday, February 16th. Welcome to the AI Factor. I'm Noah Wave, your guide on this exciting journey through today's news. In today's news roundup, the Kansas City shooting's motive appears to stem from a personal dispute, with 2 juveniles now detained by law enforcement. Meanwhile, Fulton County's district attorney, Fani Willis, faces a tumultuous hearing defending herself against allegations of misconduct in the Trump election interference case. Additionally, the House Judiciary Committee prepares for a public hearing with special counsel Robert Hur, probing into President Biden's handling of classified documents. Amidst these legal battles, concerns mount over Russia's pursuit of anti-satellite capabilities, posing a grave national security threat. Furthermore, OpenAI's groundbreaking text-to-video AI model, Sora, promises to revolutionize content creation, sparking excitement and anticipation for its potential applications. Are you ready for a deep dive into the AI factor? In a recent development, the Kansas City shooting that shook the community might have resulted from a personal dispute, according to the latest statement from the Kansas City Police Department. Law enforcement officials have detained 2 juveniles in connection with the incident. The shooting has left the community in shock and mourning. The Kansas City Police Department responded swiftly to the incident, and their ongoing investigation has now shed some light on the possible motive behind the tragic event. According to the police, the shooting might have stemmed from a personal dispute between the involved parties. The nature of the dispute is still being investigated, and more details are expected to be released as the investigation progresses. The 2 juveniles who have been detained in connection with the shooting are currently being questioned by law enforcement officials. It is important to remember that they are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This tragic event has once again highlighted the need for stronger measures to address gun violence in our communities. It is crucial for the public to cooperate with law enforcement officials in their efforts to bring justice to the victims and their families. As the investigation continues, the Kansas City Police Department is urging anyone with information about the incident to come forward and assist in the investigation. The community remains in mourning, and our thoughts are with the victims and their families during this difficult time. Fani Willis, the district attorney for Fulton County, Georgia, recently made headlines with her stunning testimony in a hearing yesterday. The hearing was filled with drama and heated exchanges as Willis took the stand to defend herself against allegations of misconduct. Here are 9 key takeaways from her testimony. Willis's testimony was a response to claims of a conflict of interest in her relationship with Nathan Wade, a special prosecutor she hired in the election interference case against former President Donald Trump. Willis denied any improper financial benefits or unethical behavior in their relationship. During her testimony, Willis addressed the allegations against her and Nathan Wade, a special prosecutor she hired in the election interference case against former President Donald Trump. She denied any improper financial benefits or unethical behavior in their relationship. Willis herself said she routinely keeps thousands of dollars in cash on hand and that she doesn't have a way of demonstrating her reimbursements to Wade. Both Willis and Wade said in recent affidavits that they split the cost of trips and that neither of them received any improper financial benefit. The testimony escalated steadily throughout the day, culminating with Willis taking the witness stand for a combative brawl with defense attorneys. Willis began her testimony by slamming the allegations against her and calling them highly offensive. The hearing was an all-day event and continued with more testimony from Willis and other witnesses. Willis was visibly upset and showed flashes of anger and indignation as she defended her reputation and made it clear that the allegations against her were bogus. The hearing was filled with drama and heated exchanges, with Willis and Wade both showing flashes of anger and indignation. Willis's testimony raised questions about the potential impact on the case against Trump and 14 of his allies in the Georgia election subversion case. The outcome of the hearing remains uncertain, but it has sparked numerous discussions and debates on social media platforms and news outlets. Willis's testimony has the potential to blow up her prosecution of Trump, but it remains to be seen what the outcome will be. Willis's testimony was a powerful and emotional moment in the hearing. She was visibly upset and showed flashes of anger and indignation as she defended her reputation and made it clear that the allegations against her were false. The hearing was a dramatic event that could have significant implications for the case against Trump and his allies in the Georgia election subversion case. Willis's testimony was a powerful moment that could impact the outcome of the case. Robert Hur, the special counsel appointed to investigate President Biden's handling of classified documents, is set to testify before the House Judiciary Committee in a public hearing next month. This comes after House Republicans requested his testimony their ongoing probe into the matter. The hearing will mark the first time that Robert Hur publicly addresses his findings since releasing his 345-page report last week. In the report, Hur concluded that criminal charges would not be warranted against President Biden in relation to the wrongly retained classified material. During the hearing, House Republicans are expected to ask Robert Hur about the details of his investigation and his decision not to prosecute President Biden. They may also raise questions the president's poor memory and his overall handling of classified documents. As the hearing approaches, it remains to be seen what new information will come to light and how it will impact the ongoing political debate surrounding the Biden classified documents case. Russia's satellite threat refers to the country's pursuit of anti-satellite capabilities, which has been a growing concern for the United States and its allies in recent years. This threat is not an immediate danger to anyone's safety, but it is a serious national security concern that could have significant implications for the world's satellite infrastructure. According to recent reports, Russia is developing a weapon that could target satellites in space, potentially using a nuclear-powered or nuclear-capable weapon. While the specifics of the technology are not entirely clear, it is believed that the anti-satellite weapon could be used to disrupt or destroy U.S. satellites, which could have a significant impact on communication, weather forecasting, and other functions that rely on satellite technology. The development of such a weapon would be a violation of the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, which explicitly prohibits the deployment of weapons of mass destruction in space. The United States has been aware of Russia's pursuit of anti-satellite capabilities for many months, if not years, and the intelligence community has recently assessed with a higher sense of confidence how Russia continues to pursue this capability. It is important to note that any anti-satellite capability should be of general concern due to humanity's reliance on satellites for various functions. However, there is no evidence that a weapon has been deployed, and the White House has stated that there is no immediate threat to anyone's safety. Russia's satellite threat is a serious national security concern that has the potential to disrupt the world's satellite infrastructure. While there is no immediate danger, it is important for the United States and its allies to continue to monitor the situation and take appropriate action to protect their interests in space. OpenAI has recently unveiled its latest innovation, a text-to-video AI model called Sora. This groundbreaking technology allows users to create videos from text prompts, opening a whole new world of possibilities for content creators and storytellers. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long, with impressive visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. This new AI model can create realistic and imaginative scenes, making it an exciting tool for anyone looking to bring their ideas to life. The announcement of Sora has generated a lot of buzz on Twitter, with users sharing their excitement and anticipation for the new technology. Many are eager to see what they can create with this powerful new tool. OpenAI's new text-to-video AI model, Sora, is set to revolutionize the way we create and consume video content. With its impressive capabilities and the potential for endless creative applications, the future of storytelling is looking brighter than ever. As we wrap up this episode of The AI Factor, we invite you to join us again for another captivating journey of the news. If you enjoyed today's exploration, don't forget to follow us on your favorite podcast platform and subscribe to stay updated on future episodes. If you have thoughts, questions, or intriguing stories you'd like us to explore, feel free to reach out to us at podcast@aifactor.news. Remember, We're committed to providing unbiased perspectives. We will never pull you left or right. Our mission is to take you straight to the facts. Stay curious, stay informed, and always keep an eye on the ever-changing landscape of the news. Until next time, this is Noah Wave, signing off.